Hello everyone, I am Bikram Singh Nagar, a Senior Project Manager at Hitachi Rail India. Hitachi Rail has been a committed partner in the growth of Indian Railways for a long time now. By combining our globally trusted expertise in OT and IT technologies and integrated rail solutions with Indian Railways' vast experience, network and rich heritage, we are committed to improving travel experience for passengers while supporting the digital and green transformation of railways. Adding another feather to the long list of achievements, Hitachi Rail has implemented India's largest electronic interlocking system at Juhi Yard with 973 routes, greatly enhancing safety in train operations. Juhi Yard is the biggest operation control center of North Central Railway and epic center of India's growing economy, supporting a huge network of passenger, freight, mails and express trains. The new technology puts passengers' safety at the heart of the transformation. The state-of-the-art rail signaling immensely simplifies management of rail operations. The operator can now set 973 routes from a centralized location with the click of a mouse on a computer. In addition to this, our team enabled the provision of immediate block signaling between Juhi, Bhimsen and networking with Juhi A and B cabin, contributing towards an increased sectional capacity in this section and better fluidity. The new interlocking system is a remarkable achievement for the Indian Railways, for it not only aligns with the Government of India's Gati Shakti National Master Plan to build multi-modal connectivity, but it also enhances mobility for millions of passengers who travel through the busy Delhi-Howrah route. This project is a testament of Hitachi Rail's capability in executing electronic interlocking projects of such sheer size. The replacement of mechanical signaling with electronic interlocking will go a long way in reducing carbon footprints. Hitachi Rail is committed towards improving people's quality of lives while paving the way for world-class infrastructure that assures green, sustainable and digital railways.